Hmm. They look like wolves to me. Ow. Did you hear something? I don't know. What was it? I hear you guys talking out loud. Anyways, then she said OMG 2 times. Oh, I'm there. She's a loser. I know. Alright, brother. Alright, so did you fix the jet? No. Ugh. So close my cover was gonna be blown. I heard it again. I'm going outside to see what it is. A spy, a spy! Got you. Oh, crap. What's going on? Where am I? Who are you guys? You are spying on us. Oh. So what am I doing now? Here, tied up. We caught you. Well, I did. What do you want? Why were you spying on us? Because the government told me to. So you work for the government? Yes. Blow my cover already. Wow. What were you going to say to the government? Well, I don't want to tell because it's top secret. We have a tranquilizer and we're not afraid to use it. Oh. All right. Fine. My cover was blown. Well, you guys are idiots. You are not even guarding your own door. See? You're not even guarding it. What happens if someone comes in unexpectedly and, tries to rob? And these guys, none of you are rehearsing. You guys are just talking. Ugh. That's kind of offensive. Yeah. Ugh. Whatever, but I'm still telling the government about this. No, you are not. Oh no, the manager is coming. She's gonna think this is crazy. I'm scared. What in tarnation's going on? What the heck? The manager's a pony? What is going on? She worked for the government facility and she's telling that we're fools to the government. I cannot have this happening. Is that a tranquilizer? Yes, it is. Wait, are you under? This is crazy and baloney. Alright, let's hide the tranquilizer and let's get back to our work. I'll do something with this. You heard her. I'll go turn on the lights. Boop. That was quick. Alright, so take this to the government facility. Area 51? Sure, whatever. I have to go. I have to do work. Okay, that was quick. Are you gonna need help with that? Nope, I got this. Can you open the big door for me? Thanks. Yes, I can. Hey, brother. Yeah? You wanna put this on Instapot? Duh. Ow. Perfect. So long, buddy. What is this? Oh my goodness. I better bring this to the government right away. Can't even. The end. The end. Directed by Zoe Paws.